Getting all packed up, and it is a hot day today.
It is pretty warm, but it's kind of to be expected, and it's kind of what we like. So.
It's August. I'm not complaining.
Yeah.
I love the heat. In other news, what's that?
Ooh, this is our license plate that we finally got for the Wraith. It's officially registered with plates to us.
It's a personalized plate.
It is. That's why it's backwards.
So, in the comments, guess what you think is on that plate. You're probably going to be extremely disappointed.
Possibly, but I think it would be fun to have like a guessing contest. So let's hear what you got. We will reveal it later in this video.
This sad looking temp tag is what we got in here now, and it's just cardboard and it's ready to go in the trash.
Yes, it's had a rough, well-used life. It's seen lots of rain, lots of road grime, a couple of washes, and I'm done with it. We've had it for over 3 months now, I think.
I put this in just for this purpose.
Yeah, there
Filling the Wraith.
There is a spigot inside the big garage, but this one is so much more convenient.
I specifically went with this one because it's a quarter turn instead of the one you got to turn like 100 times to get it to come on full blast.
Right.
It's so much better with a quarter turn faucet.
Quick on, quick off. Super easy. Slowly gaining. One thing about this, it does not go fast.
I want to rear end the Wraith.
I do love how quick and easy it is to hook up this Jeep.
Oh yeah.
It's done in no time. I thought for sure it was going to be a pain in the butt when we first got it, but...
And since we use this every weekend, I haven't even taken the hooks out of the Jeep. I just leave them in there.
Yeah. One step is already complete, ready to go.
Done.
Got the brake off, right?
Fell off.
Can't forget that. Don't want to be dragging the Jeep around.
Again.
10 minutes later, 72.
Days like today, hot, humid days where I'm so glad that we have this generator. Something that I really like about this generator, one, it's diesel, 6,000 watts, but look here, this engine is a Kubota engine.
Oh, Piper wanted to check it out too.
Go, Piper.
It's gonna start.
I can start it from inside or outside. Being able to start it from outside is super convenient. So what we're going to do is we're going to run our roof ACs while we drive. ACs are blowing. Got both of them on. Still waiting for our first to fill. It's 88%.
Yeah, it is slowly getting there. Seems like it takes forever.
It does. It takes so long to fill. Time has come to say goodbye to the plastic frame and the temp tag.
Goodbye. Ooh, it's dirty back there.
Yeah, it is.
It was actually due today, the 14th, so. Out with the old, in with the new.
That looks a whole lot nicer.
Oh yeah. Now you guys can clearly tell if it's the Wagners or not.
Ready to go? You look like you're ready to go. First tank is full. Generator's going. Piper's in the passenger seat. She's ready.
She's ready to go.
Yeah, she don't mess around. We are getting a mid-trip lunch.
Yes, we have extra time for the check-in is at 2, so Mike was hungry, imagine that. He's a growing boy. Look at that, good girl, such a good baby.
Yep.
She went right in. All right, let's go get some foods.
Not sure how good this is going to come out on camera, but you may be able to see those scratches. They go all the way down both sides. We highly recommend you avoid Clare Mar camping. They call it a resort.
Yeah.
That was bad.
Yeah, it was not a good experience, let's just say that.
We don't want to be negative, but we just want to give everybody a warning that this was the outcome.
Unless you're in a smaller rig, I wouldn't recommend it.
So we left.
Yeah.
We are at Gotta Getaway in Bellevue now, and we're having a much better time.
Yeah, this is great. Weather's beautiful. Having a snack. Have a beverage.
A frosty beverage.
Undisclosed frosty beverage. Might have a campfire. The dogs are being really good.
Yeah.
So I think it's a good sign.
Looking out this direction, they got a volleyball court. They've got a playground, and then beyond the playground is a pool.
Wagners camper. Mike's cheap.
Don't do it. Don't do it, Mitch. No.
Sneaky.
No, you did it.
Had to walk through our site to do that, didn't you?
Yeah, I had to walk right through our site. You dirty Fitch. And little did we know.
Laughing.
It's still there. There it is. Oh, guy. What a beautiful day. Got the Jeep washed, so it's all nice and clean. But we gotta get the Wraith in here because we gotta get those scratches out of it. Unfortunately, it's raining like it is. Something new with the Jeep is this dent right here. Yeah, it's my fault. Those of you that do Jeep things, you know why that's there. You know where that comes from. Now we're inside. I can still see those scratches. I can just barely feel it with a fingernail. I've been working on drying the areas that are scratched. At least we have this garage to do this. I can still see that they're there. The lighting isn't the best. Right along there. All the way down the side. Hopefully Lynn will be back soon with the fix. Look who's home! It was nice and clean, then she went and drove in the rain. You made it.
I made it. I got a whole bag of goodies. None for the dogs though, sorry puppies.
What'd you get?
Let's see here. I got 2 of these.
Okay.
And they also had this, which I thought was kind of cool, so I bought one of these too.
Okay.
And I also bought some Maguire's ceramic wax because we're running extremely low on our F11.
Hopefully between the 3 of them we'll get the scratches out.
Yeah.
First thing we're going to do is just wash the area that needs fixed, which is going to be from here all the way down to the back.
Yesterday I got a text from Jackie Melander, and she said Kenny got recognized over the weekend.
Yeah, he sent me a quick little clip.
What's up, y'all?
Hey, y'all, listen, man. I'm sitting over here, man, trying to text my man Mike Wagner back real quick. I ran to my man Brian, and he know me from Mike's YouTube channel, but now he know me from my YouTube channel, Kicking with Kenny. Y'all stay tuned. It's coming to y'all today. Peace.
Kenny said, or Jackie said that Kenny has been living on cloud 9 ever since. He just can't get enough of people recognize him. So, if you do see Kenny, always be sure to say hello. He will love it.
And be super excited when you see Kenny. To spare you guys the details, the instructions, which if you get a scratch and you want to use this stuff, read the instructions. There's just too much detail for me to go over it in this video. Basically, they talk about using your fingernail to see if you can feel the scratch or not. I can just barely feel it. So what it boils down to is I got tube number 1, tube number 2. I'm going to use tube number 1 first, obviously, and rub it in, and then I wipe away the excess and then rub in number 2. Scratch looks, well, both scratches look pretty much gone to me.
Yeah, especially from this angle. Looks way better.
Yeah. Well, I have a damp towel. I'm just gonna wipe this stuff off and then we'll apply step 2, which is the finish.
It looks a lot better.
I need to do another coat. From an angle, if I'm really trying, I can see the top one. The bottom one's disappeared, it's gone. I can just barely see this one, so I'm gonna have to do another coat.
Working out them deltoids.
Yeah. We are still working on it. You can still see, we haven't touched this part yet. Just want to show you how the scratch is there, and it just kind of disappears.
Fades
from-
out.
Right. We've been working from here to here to the awning, and then from the awning back, and I'd say the scratch is all but gone, but that's a lot of buffing.
It took a lot. We stepped up our games for those who are like, okay, you need one of these. We got one.
Yeah.
And it really did help a lot because we would have spent all day just on this one little section had we not.
Yeah. So we're working on it. We're trying to make the scratch go away. See, I can see right there where the scratch is and then fades out.
And it doesn't look that deep.
No.
It shouldn't take this much effort, but it's taken a lot of effort. And maybe it's because it's on black. Again, us and our black vehicles, you know, it's a love-hate relationship.
And speaking of our vehicles, Lynn posted on our community tab about setting up her truck to tow.
Yes.
We never implied that we were going to get rid of the Jeep.
Right. This was in addition to the Jeep, just on the off chance we might want to be extra fancy and take the
truck.
2500 instead of the Jeep.
The Jeep is not going anywhere.
No, and the Jeep will still be with us 99% of the time. It was just a thought we had been kicking around. We were trying to get opinions, and it seemed most everyone kind of took it in the opposite effect.
They thought we were going to replace the
Yeah,
Jeep.
we wanted to get rid of the Jeep, which
But that's our fault because we didn't really explain it very well.
that's true. And the Jeep is Mike's daily driver, and the Duramax is my daily driver. So we got to have two vehicles.
So if you think that we should keep the Jeep and set up her 2500 to tow behind the Wraith, leave a comment, thumbs up.
Yes. Let us know what you think. Either way, I realize some people will think it's kind of ridiculous, and you're right.
It is.
It is ridiculous. We're not saying it's not. We're just, you know, sometimes it's nice to have options. So for now,
We're going to keep working on this. We got lots of buffing to do, lots and lots and lots.
gonna need some adult beverages to get through this job.
See you guys next time.
See